I'm Adam the HipNerd, and in today's video I'm going to be making a tool cart. So this is my shop right now. This tool bench is totally overloaded with stuff and there's no space to really work on it. Also underneath is pretty jam-packed. I have this drill press table back here. This rolling cart is totally stuffed. I have stuff just hanging in bags and stacked on top of one another. This wall over here is totally underutilized. One of the things I want to do is turn this into a whole tool wall. I want to get rid of the workbench itself. Right now, it's just storage. There's just stuff all over it. Mostly what I do, since this workbench is so crowded with stuff, when I need a work surface, I just pull out some sawhorses. I have a round tabletop that I made a long time ago that I just use for setting up on the sawhorses and using that as a workbench. Also have my workmate, which I find really useful. So I think since I mostly just create work surfaces on the fly, or work tables on the fly, I'm going to continue to do that. Take this out, turn this all into a tool wall, have a tool cart or two, and everything can just be moved around. That's the plan. The type of tool cart that I want to make is an Adam Savage style tool cart. In his video where he makes his tool cart, he doesn't actually show any details of how he made it, but fortunately somebody else was super interested in how it was made, and I think this is on Pinterest, and they basically looked at the video really carefully and sketched out the dimensions as best they could. Hooray for the internet. Here we go. Oh, damn it. So when I cut this, I cut to one side of the line. I probably should have cut on the line. So one piece is about 1/8 of an inch bigger than the other. I'm going to use an edge trim bit on my router to make it even. Mr. Crow agrees.
Stop calling our girlfriend with this nonsense. Blabbering about when she thinks she's coming back soon, so just stop. And I really wish you stop calling our girlfriend with this nonsense. Blabbering about when she thinks she's coming back soon, so just stop. And I really wish calling our girlfriend with this nonsense. Blabbering about when she's coming back soon, and I really wish calling our girlfriend with this nonsense. Blabbering about when she's coming back soon. Man, I really wish rolling our girlfriend is black, she coming back, man, I really wish rolling our girlfriend is black, she coming back, man, I really wish rolling our girlfriend is black, she coming back, man, I really wish rolling our girlfriend is
Do you have any trouble cutting through that?
Wait, no. I knew that, like, okay.
I should have caught it. That's okay. Oh, my poor dude. My poor soft horse.
That's hilarious.
You want to try and clean up the corners? Yeah! Woo! I think that's probably the hardest part of this build, and I think it's done. I know this is going to seem like a small thing, but I still get really happy when I cut a bunch of material up and it all comes out the right size. So everything's the same length and the same width. When I first started making stuff, it was always a struggle. I would commonly forget the kerf of the blade, or I would make the mistake of relying on measurements rather than using a previously cut piece to dimension off of, or batching up cuts so that you're cutting two pieces at the same time, make sure they come out exactly the same length. So I'm still early enough in my woodworking hobby that it's great when it all comes together.
We're on the parking lot of life. Assert your asserts. No escape. We're on the parking lot of life. Assert your asserts. No escape. We're on the parking lot of life. Assert your asserts. No escape. We're on the parking lot of life. Assert your asserts. No escape. We're on the parking lot of life. Assert your asserts.
Hard disk drive is full. My 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 hard disk drive is full. I am out of memory. 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 My OS is outdated. My OS is outdated. But I still love the feeling of your fingers on my keyboard. I am out of memory. Oh. 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 Oh. My hard disk drive is full. My hard disk drive is full. I am out of memory. My OS is outdated. Oh, but I still love the feeling of your fingers on my keyboard.
So here it is, mostly done. I'm going to continue to add to it, put new things on it, but for now, this is good. I got a lot of tools on here. I could probably organize them a little bit better, add more stuff, but I'm very happy with the way this turned out.